I love to clean. So I was extra excited about this Cherry Blossom Pine Sol. It's definitely a refreshing twist on that classic formula. And this one makes the whole space smell so clean. It smells very florally, but is not harsh. And you're not like gagging. So very, very nice. Why I like this? Name brand power. I trust this name. And this one definitely had no problem cutting through the grease, the grime, and on my floor, perfect. Like I said about the smell, it smells incredible. It's fresh, it's light, and it's gonna linger just long enough to make it smell clean, that you've done something in there. Versatile. This I've used on sealed wood, my tiled floor in the bathroom, sinks, and of course the countertops. This one is a real multitasker. Again, would I buy it? Yep, I would. Anything pink, anything different, anything cleaning, you got me. They nailed it with this cherry blossom version. I really like it, and I really like the modern, pleasant scent. This one is going to be on my regular rotation for sure. Happy cleaning.